Hello again and welcome back to another Content Manager training. In this training we are going to create a separate landing page on a separate URL, but that looks like the one that we created when we did the start page. So this assumes that you have already followed this tutorial for the start page, but also for content editing. So I'm going to go back to my page here, and currently this one is under this URL, and we are just going to have a heading, a video here, we're going to have an image, a couple of products and a slideshow. So let's see what we can do by creating a new category. So first let's go to products, categories, and then let's select the default root category. Then if we click add subcategory, we can then create our category like we are used to. I will call this Nike 2016 because the current one that we see right now is called IKEA. And I'm going to keep it disabled so that only I as an administrator can access the page, but all of my other users that are browsing the site, they will just get a 404. So if I now save this category and I click edit and preview, we see it here on the front end, but if I exit the preview, I just get a 404 page, which is good. So this means that we can add all of our content to the page, and when we are ready to go live with it, we can then just enable it. I'm also going to change the page type from product category to content. And if I now save the category, we see that we have less columns here. And this is also good because we only need to focus on these settings when we are working with content pages. I'm also going to change the page layout to one column because currently we have, as you can see here, we have the main column here, but we have space for the left column here. But if I now save this with page layout one column, we will then see that the edit structure border stretches across the entire page. Alright, so I can now start adding stuff to my page, and I will start by adding a heading. So I'm not going to add a widget, but I'm going to add a static CMS block like this, and then I'm going to edit this just quickly, and I will make this a main heading, and I will type Nike 2016, just do it, don't wait. Alright, there we go. Now if I save this, I can then continue, and I'm going to add the video widget that I have prepared over here. And next to it, I simply want to have an image, so I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller so that we have space for my static CMS block over here, which will only include the image that we saw before. So we remove this and we replace this paragraph with this image that we have here. Here we go. And then if I save this, we can now continue and adding our products that we should have below. So I will choose a catalog product list. Actually, I'm going to choose, where do we have you? Catalog new product list. And I'm just going to add 5 products and then save this like this. So here we have the products, and now if I add my banner slider that I have also prepared in advanced, that we have here, and I will choose this slideshow and also make it bigger, and then save it. Alright, now if I publish this and I exit the preview mode, we still see that we have a 404 page, but right now I'm confident that my customers will be happy to see this. So it's time for me now to enable this. So I'm going to enable the category and save this. Now if I go back to the front end and reload the page, we see that we no longer get the 404 page, but instead we get our separate landing page that we have here. And as you can see, we have a unique URL for this page. That is a separate content page, but that is created the same way that we created the start page. And the only thing that we need to keep in mind is basically the page type that we can change from product category to content after that we have created a subcategory. And that was it for this training. Now go out there and have fun. Bye bye.